What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video we're going to do a Q&A. This one is not live. I have about 20 questions here from all the people in the Facebook group and the AFK forum, and we're going to walk through them one by one and answer them. So the first question. The best way to get $100 a day in revenue, which structure to follow, multiple ad sets or multiple ads per ad set, age ranges super broad or low countries like New Zealand. $100 a day in revenue is super simple. You could do this with one campaign. However, it depends on the variables you also mentioned. Where to start? I assume when you say the best way, I assume you would say the easiest way. Because if I would describe you the best way, it is for sure not the easiest way. So that's the microphone. The best way basically would be to build up your revenue slowly, right? $100 a day in revenue for most people is the first initial goal. Then when you build it up more and more over time, it becomes steady. However, I think you're looking for the easy way. So the easy way would indeed be go for New Zealand, Belgium. Those two countries are very easy. Either Italy or France are also quite easy. And what you do is you launch the main brands. I like to do groceries on Facebook. One campaign can pull in $100 a day in those geos. Easy, France and Italy, because of the volume available. What you want to do is you want to do one campaign, no budget optimization, one offer per campaign. You want to do a split of male-female, interest targeting, or broad if applicable. You want to run around one ad per $1 in ad spend, and you want to follow the 3-day rule. So basically, if you create a small little system like this, you can't go wrong. However, it will require a significant amount of testing. To get to $100 a day, you will need a launch schedule, and you need to stick with launching campaigns consistently. Traffic source, Facebook ad. My question is how to find max bounty offers for better revenue. That's a very broad question. I would just start with the sweepstakes. Sweepstakes on Facebook, even max bounty offers, super simple. Lowest barrier of entry, Facebook, tons of volume. You might even want to test the Instagram story ads. They're a little bit more simple. But there's no really best offer. It all comes down to testing. Max Bounty has over 50 sweepstakes, I think. Different geos. So for Max Bounty, I would say New Zealand is a good geo to start. I have many examples on my channel of live builds and build it up step by step. Watch the Watch Me Build videos and go through it slowly. Then figure out how it works and scale step by step until your desired income. Is the term swipe up in Instagram different other languages? German, French, Swedish. I wouldn't translate swipe up because swipe up is native to the Instagram platform. Even if you see ads in your own language, when you're on Instagram, it still says swipe up at the bottom. So the swipe up is basically universal and there's basically no need to translate it. Can you just do everything for me and then transfer the profits? I could for a month. It will cost you 100,000 and then I will transfer the business to you. So if you have 100,000 euros, then I will build your business for you for a month. Of course, following the 3-day rule, still after each full day, kill out the ads that are obviously bad or just wait anyways. Let's say after day 1, there's 4 out of 5 ads doing fluctuations but seem okay-ish. And then there's one ad with like a CPC that's way worse than all the other ads. Kill or wait. The thing you want to do is you never want to touch the ads. Facebook optimizes on the ad level. The media buyer, which is you, the affiliate, should only be focusing on the ad set level. Facebook will optimize based on the pixel, based on CTR percentages and CPM. The ad level, sorry. So if you want to make changes, only make them on the ad set level or when you want to replace ads and put in new ads. However, that requires also a different strategy. So I would recommend you not to change the ads. Why? Because Facebook will not give any reach to low performing ads anyway. How to create a never-ending angle. Should we learn storytelling first? No need for storytelling in this because the angles are short, especially with sweepstakes. So storytelling, then you're going into like long form copy, video material. That's not really what you're trying to do with what I teach on YouTube. The never-ending angles are usually related to repeating patterns like holidays or some pain point that keeps coming up with the audience. So make money online, very clear. It is the desire for money. Nutra, very clear. People want to lose weight. So these verticals, they have never-ending angles, as you say, by themselves, right? You don't need to create those angles. Business opportunity offers, also again, money. However, with sweepstakes, it's very broad. It very much depends on the offer, what kind of angle you want to take in order to make it work, to look for the opportunities. So I've said it before, but the ability to make high converting angles, and then also the ability to be able to use them repeatedly over time, that is one skill set a media buyer has to have to be successful in this field. No need for storytelling though. You just have to understand emotions of the people you target. How to put a Facebook conversion pixel, lead or purchase event into offers landed to be able to track everything on Facebook? Yeah, that's a good question because a lot of people want that. Yeah, there is a pixel postback on Cake, but the network needs to support it. So if the network doesn't pass the data on, it doesn't fire back. So as far as I know, the only network that does that currently with all the not all the offers, but selected offers, very incorporated. I don't think it's iframe, but I don't even know how it works, but it's Yap Ads. So Yap Ads and Creative Clicks, they have this dashboard where there are selective offers with the Facebook pixel integrated in their tracker. So it's not managed by the advertiser. Because sometimes you have offer where they allow your lander to have a Facebook pixel, but it's manually placed, right? And this is all automatic. So you might want to check out Yep Ads. Y-E-P, Yep Ads. In RedTrack, report landing page clicks to offer is greater than landing page views. Does it mean that the person clicks on the last question in the quiz on lander several times? Landing page click. You must not have set something up correctly. So something is double registering, either because I don't really know RedTrack that well, to be fair. So we used it briefly. We're using volume right now. We never have any issues with volume, but I would just reach out to support because I can give advice, but you might, I don't know how you set it up, right? So you might fuck something up in the setup. Hey Colin, when you set up your Facebook ads, do you schedule them to be delivered at certain times of the day or certain days of the week rather than just on 24/7? All right, what I used to do was I would schedule ads for midnight. Why? Because if you launch an ad at 8 p.m., it has a $20 budget. Facebook will try to spend at least $10. You'll get a crazy high CPM because Facebook is trying to force the spend, and then you rather wait till midnight. That's what That's what I used to do. Right? Then I started launching so many campaigns that Facebook would get triggered if I would schedule them all at midnight, right? Regarding the bands and stuff. So then I just spread them out the day. Sometimes a campaign spends a little bit more money in the evening. But if you're launching like 10 campaigns a day, it doesn't really matter. Just have to work. If you only launch one campaign a day, you can schedule them for midnight, right? Not if you launch like 10 or so. If you could dig a little deeper on scaling, I think is a struggle that we all have when we are duplicating the ads negative ROI. Yes, because that's not how you scale. But scaling is really something for advanced affiliates, and I don't think the YouTube audience is based on advanced affiliates. It's mostly beginners. If you want to learn how to scale, and that means not scaling from 10 to $100. This is scaling from 10 to 10,000, right? You have to get some paid coaching. I mean, obviously, everybody's like, oh, I want information for free. And that's true. That's great. But on scaling methods, because it's quite complicated and it will yield you tremendous ROI, nobody teaches good scaling methods for free. Best affiliate network for starting people with mobile app install or gaming offers, Yap Ads. That's our partner for app install. How can I get through with this Facebook plans, create multiple ad accounts in Business Manager? Yeah, that's the main struggle, right? That's the main struggle of this business model. You need to have knowledge. You need to have a consistent flow of business managers. You need to know what you're doing. You need to know the inside outs. And that's what the paid products we offer are for, basically. What is a global postback URL? The postback URL will make sure that the tracker receives conversions from the network or advertiser. The tracker also receives data from Facebook, and then it matches the data in one overview, so you can see which ad set gave the conversions, which ad gave the conversions, etc. Time of day, browser, all that. The global postback means that the postback is not set per offer, but once for all the offers. Global. In the beginning, you say that to run 10 campaigns every day. Does it mean 10 broad campaigns daily or 10 campaigns with multiple ad sets? 10 campaigns with multiple ad sets. Let's say you had a not yet profitable campaign after 3 days, but with some conversions and the potential to get profitable, no. I can already tell you, kill. The 3-day rule is there to either kill or scale campaigns and not to crave on the potential of campaigns because it's delusional. But let me read further. You know that there was only one ad per ad set that has the best CTRs in each ad set. Would you replace the losing ads with new ads, have a round again, or kick out the loser ads? I would kill the campaign. If it goes beyond the 3-day rule and it's not profitable, then we kill. We don't try to kick this dead horse and try and make it alive. That would happen maybe once every 50 times. It's a waste of money and a waste of time. For sweepstakes, when should I start a campaign in the US? If you reach 100,000 a month in revenue worldwide, except the US. Also do the need VPN to view my offer after lender redirect. For some networks, you do have to use a VPN. Through ClickFunnels, I can't see the offers landing page after final question default outcome. Then you need the VPN. Yep. If it redirects the whole time or it goes to like a different offer. Is it appropriate to do a 2-question survey landing page even when the offer also asks 2 questions before? No. So that's when the moment you want to ask your affiliate manager for a deep link. A deep link is where they go straight to the offer. So you ask 2 questions, then go to the offer. If you have 2 questions and then another 2 questions, it reduces the conversion rate significantly because they just answer 2 questions, right? What to do with the tracking link when accepting an offer? Please explain in detail the step in between creating the tracking link and putting the tracking link on the Max Bounty to your bridge page. Where can I see the tracking statistics? I don't get this question. What to do with the tracking link when accepting an offer? Please explain in detail the step in between creating the tracking link and putting the tracking link on Max Bounty to your bridge page. Where can I see the statistics? Which statistics? I don't understand this question, but if you have any questions about tracking links and Max Bounty, watch Me Build Max Bounty on my YouTube channel, where I go over everything related to a complete build on Max Bounty, and that perhaps will answer your questions. What does tracking type mean? Tracking type is different forms of tracking. So S2S, which is server to server, that's what most beginners use. That's what I recommend you to use. How do you start CPA? Join the afkforum.com, take my free 3-step training, and that's probably how I think 3,000 people this year already made $100 or more with CPA marketing. And it's free, nothing to lose. Where to target Instagram story ads, how to cut bad ones and optimize the campaign. I would recommend you to start with New Zealand if you want English speaking. Else go for Belgium, Italy, France. Spain, perhaps. UK. Stay away from Germany, Netherlands. Those are very competitive geos and traffic is expensive. And Nordics, because the Nordics is also the most expensive traffic in Europe. What I would recommend you to do regarding the optimization is follow the 3-day rule. And as soon as you've done that, go watch the videos which are called Beyond the 3-day rule on the channel, which will help you out a lot regarding scaling and optimizing your campaign. Any other questions from the live stream? I just tried to do a live stream 3 times, but apparently I'm locked out of Facebook now. And when I try to log in, it says you can access Facebook in 2 days. So that's not going to happen today, unfortunately, because I wanted to do additional questions live, but I will do that later. If you have any questions about CPA marketing, leave them down in the description below. If you have questions which you have like personal situations and stuff, go to the afkforum.com and message me there. Then I will help you one-on-one. No issue at all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.